trifecta. She's a pro now. She hit the trifecta.
Take this trail at two-wheel drive, right? Or...
No, you definitely need four-wheel, and there's a Toyota coming at us.
Oh,
it's that same Toyota.
Jesus gosh. Pull over somewhere.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he pulled over.
Copy that.
It's fine, right?
I tipped my detail guy.
Yeah, no, I know that. Oh, I don't need to waste money on that. I feel like that's a waste of money.
No, next summer
like
get it ceramic coated.
Right, you can do that once a year.
The ceramic coat is just once every 5 or 10 years.
Oh, okay. Well,
so it'll protect your Jeep for 5 years.
Yeah, but the detail.
The detail you can get it once every year. Yeah.
I can do. Yeah, like that once a year, really good one, and then maintain it.
I do it because I do some serious shit, and so some of this stuff.
But you haven't done it inside.
What, have them do it inside? Yeah, I had them do it inside. Not last time, the time before last.
Oh, okay. Are they coming behind you, or you just leaving them?
No, they're coming.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Well, it's still not as bad as if we hadn't aired down. If we hadn't aired down, this would have been, our spines would have fractured. Snap, crackle, pop.
As we get more older, we probably won't be able to do this.
Oh, I'll do this until I die.
Oh, yeah.
And you don't have to go down advanced mod trails.
Yeah, we have to do just normal ones.
Lighter trails.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I have to quit saying that I don't like it. That really didn't bother me too terrible much.
There you go.
Yeah, you don't like it when Sean drives it. That's the issue.
Yep, I think that's what I just figured out.
Yeah, I don't like Sean either. I mean, I don't like when he drives it either.
I imagine it would be a little bit more disconcerting as a passenger as opposed to a driver.
Somebody, especially when somebody's just balls to the wall of that thing in a little two-door that's just like doesn't care about life kind of thing. Ah!
Oh well, who is that? Because I want to ride with them.
It was a little terrifying.
That sounds like a lot of fun. That's my kind of wheeling.
Yeah.
I won't do it in Gator, but I'd definitely be a passenger in their rig while they did it.
I don't know about that.
Well, if he ever gets unstubbornized and get back out here, I'll take whoever wants to ride with me. You gotta sign a waiver though.
Sign me up. I'll definitely sign that waiver.
Suing.
Especially since up and running again, he'll be a trail-only Jeep, so I really don't care if I break anything.
Nice. I want to get a beater, something that I can do that with as well. Have fun. More fun than I'm having now, I mean.
After going up that hill, you can go back a two-wheel, right?
Yeah, I'm in too high right now.
Too high and wanting to talk about lockers. Blah, blah, blah.
You know, I hadn't been out here in a minute, and I kind of thought it was worse than what it was. Albright is the scariest one to me. Only because of I'm not trying to damage my my rig. Gators. I've been wheeling with Gator for 2 years now, and I haven't had any body damage to it. Knock on wood.
Is that a...
Danielle, DJ, you guys all right back there?
That's a porta potty over
That's
there.
a porta potty. It says no trespassing.
See that porta potty to the left there?
Oh, you got a porta potty.
I don't know if I'd use that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Must be disgusting.
That's definitely looking suspect.
Hard to say the last time it's been emptied.
Right?
What?
Or you go to use it and some crazy psycho locks you in on the outside, and now you're in a horror movie.
You so much.
I could use that kind of excitement.
Well, damn, brother.
No.
I told you they're used to all that weird stuff around here. Are they really?
Mm-hmm.
Way up there.
Mm-hmm. There's the wolf.
Oh no.
The wolf. We are on the wolf.
Ooh, look how stiff this is.
We did this at night.
I know.
Anybody do this at night? I did this at night a couple of months ago with Aaron. It's awesome at night.
Yeah, we've done it at night. It is pretty cool.
It's a whole different feel at night.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Hold on one second, Missy. I'm sorry. I got to put my lockers on. Oh, look at the size of that tick on my windshield.
Where? It's not.
That's a tick.
You're putting lockers on in that big beast, and I'm just in four wheels. Come on now.
All right. You know what? Since you just said that, proceeding.
It's a ladybug. It's a ladybug, babe. Oh, I wonder how old is she? Really, babe?
Well, they definitely fixed a lot of these trenches that were across all this.
Ah!
Get up here, Gator. Get up there. Get up there, boy. Come on, boy. You got it. You got it, Gator. Get up there.
It's heavy.
A 6,000-pound beast. Get up there, big boy. You got it. Good job, Gator.
Just don't go too close to the edge.
Edge on, well, the good news is if we go down, we're going down together, right?
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh my god, I have to do this.
In yours, yeah, you want to do this in yours. Once you get your armor.
It's close to the edge. We just have to find out who's gonna do that. Aaron can. Not Aaron. What's his name?
Yeah. Gavin.
Gavin will do
Yeah,
it?
he does all that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Over here. You have to put it on.
It's all about the line. righted you. I turned you back, flipped you back that way.
We have to come down this way?
No.
Is everybody in 4 low? Yeah.
I'm in 4 high. Look at that mushroom.
Gina, that's your passenger side back tire that's getting hung up on the rock.
Look at that. See that mushroom?
I can't see it. No, I can't see it.
Wow.
Should have took a
That's
picture.
huge.
No, I couldn't see it. Oh my god, look at this. No, you're not going in there.
You want to stay to the left.
Yeah, you don't want to go to the right.
There you go.
You get up to the top here, stay to the left.
Hey.
Definitely don't want to get stuck in that trench.
Persistence pays off sometimes.
You're waiting.
Mhm.
Yeah. Motorcycle.
Mountain bike coming down from the front.
Just a bike.
Solo rider.
Nope, he's going this way. Oh,
There's 6 of us. We're waiting. Come on down.
We have a dirt bike.
Good job,
coming
buddy.
down the hill
We got
at us.
5 more people behind me. I said I got 5 more coming up.
so you can.
So just be careful, all right? All right, man. Enjoy the trails, buddy.
Yeah, you too, bud.
Thank you, brother.
He had a gun in it. I saw.
I don't blame him. Fuck, you have no idea what you encounter out here. Bear, whatever. Fucking psycho.
I think he's getting everybody through it.
Okay.
That left side, you just fly right through it.
Yep.
Yep, that's what I did. Boys went up to the fence post.
Fence post. That's what. This. We're attacking by this orange thing.
Get out.
I can make that way too. We'll find out.
Oh, they went the other way.
I threw mine into 4 low with a locker on just in case, but you don't need it.
Oh, we need 4 low.
You in 4 low? All right, smart lady.
That's better crawl ratio.
Oh shit.
It changes the crawl ratio of the Jeep when you're in 4 low.
Ah, okay.
What is it? Not to be or to be? Oof.
If you ever put your Jeep in drive and let off the gas and it doesn't go anywhere, if you put it in 4 low and let off the gas, it'll take off on its own with no gas.
Damn, that's wild.
I smell gas. Oh, I smell gas.
It's not mine.
So yeah, even though you don't need 4 low, it's easier on the transmission because it'll just walk up stuff on
Watch
its
me on the
own.
right there.
You're keep going straight.
I can't go straight.
Okay. Or keep going. Oh, you're gonna hit it. Well, you got your tire is gonna hit it. You're gonna hit it. That way. Oh my god.
That's door dinger number 1 right there. Door dinger number 2 is right here to the left.
Door dinger.
Put your front tire up on top of that big rock there, Misty.
You got it, Brat. Get it. Watch out for this door dinger up on the left, Misty. Coming up to shoot. 5x5.
Why do I have to sell some gas?
I'm trying to put my tires up
On top of that?
Now I got no choice but to get in the rut.
To the right side. Ooh. Oh my God. Shit.
Boulder Central coming up.
Go over that.
I drive over this one. I don't know if you guys want to or not, but I'm driving over it.
Oh my God. Oh, maybe I'll turn around.
That's what 37s will do.
Yeah,
Chelsea, you're going to go over that rock.
Who? Oh, I don't like this one.
Yeah, you can drive over that big rock.
Brat handling it like it's nothing.
Oh no.
Turn to the left.
We.
She's my good girl. She usually does what Mama wants us to.
There you go.
Go forward.
Ooh, damn, we are literally almost
Oh my God! I got
on
to
our
die
side.
here.
Hang on.
Holy shit.
No.
Holy shit.
There you go.
Alright, we recovered.
Oh my God!
Woo. We recovered.
Really, hon? Thought I was
Alright.
gonna
Now watch me
die.
not do it.
I love this trail.
No.
I love this trail. We're sliding. We're sliding. Oh boy. I love this trail.
I don't.
Pucker factor 9.5. Maybe a 9.8. Okay. All right.
Oh my God. I don't like it.
Are those juices flowing, everybody?
She made it.
Everybody good?
Yeah, I just got hung up for a second.
All right.
Slowly but surely.
When you get up here, Misty, there's a big branch to the right. Just watch out for it.
Yep, that's that window buster. When you get to the Y up there, hold on till we're all caught up. That way everybody knows the right direction to go.
Copy that.
Where are we going next?
Oh no, after that.
I think I might have just shit my
We're back.
pants.
Oh no, this is a new one to the right. It's falling down the hill.
Yeah, that branch.
Yep,
Yeah, that's a door dinger. That's new.
sure is.
Somebody say they shit their pants. Was that on the part where you almost turned sideways?
Right now.
Was that on the part where you almost turned sideways? Magali was screaming. I ain't gonna lie, we were both kind of screaming.
Right there, you just passed the window popper.
Yep, I saw it. It sounded like there were two women up in here screaming in Gator. When we turned sideways back there, we were both like, ah! Like Carlton from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Yeah, I do smell gas.
We smelled it too.
It was real strong right here, and I don't smell it as much.
No, it's gone.
All right, let me know when everybody catches up.
There's in the fork. Where are we going?
Yeah, go ahead and encroach on the hill. Keep going around. Like you smelled natural gas?
Wait, around. He said. She said around.
No, like fuel gas.
We're going to this.
Yeah, gasoline.
Are they coming? Nope.
I don't smell it right now, but Danielle does. But like the closer I was to Cody, I smelled it a lot more.
It was a lot of gas.
Magali smelled it when we got. It was really strong on the beginning of the trail, but I'm still at almost a full tank, so I'm not leaking.
Yeah, same with us.
Mister, you were leaking fluid in the back. How's your gas level?
I'm just barely under full, so I'm good.
Likewise. Yeah, I'm barely under full.
All right, so it's none of us.
Stop and just make sure. It might have been that Toyota though.
You know what? He had big jugs on the back, so maybe he splashed or something like that.
Yeah, that could be. Well, Cody said he might shit himself.
I can't.
Shit and gas don't smell alike, though, right?
All right. Can you see DJ or DJ behind you guys?
Somewhere back there.
Did he make the right turn?
I just want to make sure we all make the turn, that's all. This is the spot where people can get confused.
Yep, so I'm holding up.
You probably went to the
You're
end.
good, John. I'm just trying to make sure that we creep around that corner for everybody to see which direction to go.
Okay.
I see him.
Do you see anybody?
No, but they're coming because it's a sharp turn right there, so I can't see past that turn.
Yep, top of the hill. Make sure you go right.
Really? We're on the left side. No, just kidding.
We'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. We'll be coming round the mountain.
Didn't we do this at nighttime too?
We did this at night, and we did it at night coming down this way, and we did it coming up with Aaron.
We just sneezed, coughed, and farted all in one. First start.
What did he say?
Wrong one.
Oh shit.
So
Oh,
you have Kevin James in your Jeep?
oh my god,
A burp snort is better than a burp shart.
Sure.
He probably actually sharted, honestly.
Sure.
A kind
Oh,
of
boy.
forceful
Yeah.
sneeze.
We've got baby wipes.
Wee. Oh. 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 Oh, now this one is like stiff. Oh no, are we going over this? Oh my god.
Get it, Gator. Gator just crawling. Two-stepping. Good job, Gator. Good job. You got it, buddy. You got it. That squeaking is just from my front sway bar flex as it's flexing. I just threw some oil on it. It'll stop that.
Yeah, it started all over again.
Yeah, because the red oil that Gavin put on there probably wore off. So I just need to spray some more on there. That's all that is.
Ooh.
That's fine. I just moved a rock. That's
Oh my god.
Gator just throwing rocks out of the way.
Not popping.
Nope. See, because I got my pressure gauge there telling me I'm 18 and 19 all the way through. So I leave it on that screen. What have we here?
It's good.
Wow, that was a huge one
Yeah.
that they cut down.
Probably
Damn. That was huge.
Yeah, because I don't remember seeing it there.
I was never there before.
That was a killer.
Definitely would kill you. Would not survive that if that hit.
They're not even behind us, babe.
They're coming. You guys all good behind there?
Yeah, we're down to the bottom.
They are.
You can't be down at the bottom because I'm down at the bottom and I don't see you.
We took the room.
I said coming down slow.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see your tail lights.
Phew. I thought we took the wrong turn.
Right where I'm stopped at, about 10 feet behind me, Misty, is a big door dinger on the left-hand side. And I just drive over that. Straight wheel. Come on. Come on, Gator.
These trees, I can't believe they're all piling up. Once did they get
Stacking and cracking.
Yeah.
Cracking and stacking.
That's what's gonna happen one day. They're all gonna boom collapse.
Okay. That was fun, right?
Yeah.
Nerve-wracking when we got turned sideways, huh?
I'm just pointing out there's a rock here you got to be careful about so it doesn't get your door.
Oh, they're still on the list.
Thank you.
That's not even halfway.